Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin E capsules at home. First, prioritize safety by understanding potential risks and ensuring a sterile environment. You'll need high-quality vitamin E oil, empty gelatin capsules, and a precise dropper. Always work on a clean surface to prevent contamination and ensure the purity of your homemade capsules. Let's get started with the preparation steps. To begin, you'll need a pure, high-quality vitamin E oil, ideally a natural D-alpha tocopherol. Next, acquire empty gelatin or vegetarian capsules. Size 00 or 0 are common choices. A small, sterile dropper or syringe with a fine tip is crucial for precise filling. You might also want a small bowl and a clean cloth for any spills. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now let's fill those capsules. Gently twist and pull apart an empty capsule, separating the larger body from the smaller cap. Using your sterile dropper, carefully fill the larger body with vitamin E oil, leaving a small space at the top. Avoid overfilling to prevent leaks. Then, firmly press the cap back onto the body until it's securely sealed. Repeat for all your capsules. Once your capsules are filled, proper storage is key. Place them in an airtight, opaque container to protect them from light and air. Store the container in a cool, dry place like a pantry to maintain the vitamin E's potency. Remember, these are for personal use, and it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized dosage recommendations. Enjoy your homemade vitamin E capsules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.